So I told you I will give some task, right? So the task is complete this task. Okay. I will give one task. The task name is I need to go office. Okay. So what is your task is simple task. I need to go to the office. Means your work from home got started, right? Everybody work from office got started for everyone. So we are going on a hybrid or we are doing and we are going there. Now complete this task. I need to go to office. Okay. So don't think that why Rajesh is teaching this thing. Let us correlate the subject with the real time examples. Then you will understand more. Now I want to go to office. I means Rajesh want to go to office. If Rajesh or any other person want to go office, he or she need to take some help, guys. What help they need to take it? For example, they need to take the help of home. Okay, so they need to take the help of car or bike or bus. Okay, and they also see it here. First of all, home. In order to, I need to complete, I need to go to office, right? These are my task. In order to complete this task, the home is indirectly or directly helping to complete this task, right? Means the home is helping to stay, preserve, and shelter. Shelter. Okay. So in order to fresh up and in order to give a shelter or in order to stay, we will take the help of home. Now, bike, bus, car. What is the use of this one? For transportation purpose. Means indirectly or directly, what it is doing, directly or indirectly, in order to complete this task, this home, car or bike or bus is helping you to complete this task. Without this, you can't complete it, right? It is bit harder to complete it. Means directly or indirectly. Go on mute, everyone. Don't unmute yourself. And in the chat box, there is a link, guys. One more time. There is who have joined now. In chat box, there is a link. If you want to get the access, please click it and fill the form, guys. Okay, we will send you the access. Okay, we have home, car, and we have understood. Now we have swipe, swipe in, and swipe out machines, guys. What we have? We have swipe in and swipe out machine. What the swipe in machine and swipe out machine will do? It will capture the attendance. Yes, it will capture the attendance, guys. Okay. Finally, you will come back once it is done in order to ODC, offshore delivery center or office ODC, whatever we call it as office and ODC. In order to capture your attendance, means whether you came for work from office or not, this is the one it is helping to do some work. Finally, home to come back and relax. You will understand this. I will go to the subject. Okay. You please wait. Okay. Pressure. Got it right? Means in order to come back and fresh up, the home will help. Now observe the thing. In order to complete a task, I need to go to office. The home is helping to stay. Car is helping and bike is helping. Swiping machine is helping. Swipe out machine is helping for capturing the attendance. And finally, office ODC and home is also helping us to do this task. Okay. Now I will change the task. Okay. Now the second task for you is I need to automate the test case using Tosca. So we all are automation testers, right? In order to complete this task also, we need to take certain help. Okay, means how you are completing this task on the same way I want to complete this task also. Okay, means home, it is acting as a component. Car, bike or bus is acting as a component. Swipe in, office and home, it is acting as a component. Okay, before I teach this one, I have a disclaimer, guys, and I want you to follow this in my class. When you are listening my class, please don't remember anything. Don't by heart anything. Don't remember anything, guys. Just understand what the Rajesh is teaching. Okay. For example, I teach about this one. This is simple, right? So if you remember it, you will forget it. Don't remember it. Okay. Rajesh told this one. Okay, complete this task. That is very easy, right? Now, when you will prepare your own class notes, I will give this recording and class note, right? So once you have completed your class, once you have understood the class, and once you have connected all the points, open your class note, prepare your own class notes. At that time, remember the class. Again, I'm repeating, when I'm teaching this one, don't remember anything. Please understand the concept. When you prepare your class notes, right, then at that time, remember it. If you remember this one, you will forget this. If you remember this, you will forget this. Just understand whether you are able to understand the concept or okay. So small disclaimer. Okay. So let us go to the subject. I need to automate the test case using Tosca, guys. I need to automate this one. Same how you have this task on the same way we have the task another task. Now how in order to complete this task we have taken the help of this one. Now in order to complete this task we need to take the help of a component, and this is the first question. If you go to any interview, if they want to start from very basics, the first question from their mouth what they will ask is what are the components which are available in Tosca. Components in Tosca. So before you are learning, you need to understand it. What is the first question? What are the major components which are available in Tosca? Okay, this is the first question they will ask us. What are the major components which are available in Tosca? The major components which are available in Tosca are, first one is Tosca Commander. Okay, it's like home. Okay, it's like an ID. Okay, it is an IDE. What is the full form of IDE? Integrated Development Environment. Okay, environment which is used to create a project. Understand this one, guys. Just remember the name. Okay, so and automate the test case. Okay, what are the major components which are available in Tosca? First one is Tosca Commander. How you have your Eclipse. Okay, you have Eclipse, right? See, if I type Eclipse IDE. IDE means you will write your code, right? So it's like your home. It's like the platform where you will interact and you will automate the test case. On the same way, Tosca Commander, if you type Tosca, see, it has installed the Tosca Commander. So this Tosca Commander and this Tosca Commander is same. Tosca Commander, it is an IDE, integrated development environment, which is used to create a project and automate the test case. Okay? 99% you will get this question, guys. Mark my word. Okay? 99% is interview questions. Okay? You got the point? You have Tosca Commander. Once you have understood Tosca Commander, the next one is Tosca Xcap. And the next one is Tosca Executor. And the next one is Test Repository. Okay. So how you have bus, car, bike and everything, right? So we have majorly four components. Don't remember. Just understand again. Again, I'm giving like again I'm telling guys, please don't remember anything. Okay, Rajesh told first we need to learn about components in Tosca. Okay, take a chill pill and try to understand the subject. That's it. No need to remember anything. If you remember it, it's gone, case. I have trained lot of persons, right? What they will do? Okay, Rajesh told four components. Let us remember that. Okay, don't do that. Please open the notebook, listen the class, and prepare your class notes with red pen, blue pen, green pen, and whatever the pen it is. So just try to prepare your own class. When you're preparing it, before coming to the class, revise it. Okay. Please do that. Now we have majorly four components: Tosca commander, Tosca xcan, Tosca executor, and Tosca repository. Okay. So what exactly the purpose of xcan is? What is the purpose of xcan? Xcan is used to scan any application, guys. If you want to scan any application or capture the web element, we will use this xcan, guys. Okay. Use it to scan any application or capture the web element. In order to capture the web element, we will use xcan. Okay. How we need to xscan, how we need to do it, I will explain. Means it is used to scan an application. Remember like that. Next one is Tosca executor. It is used to scan any sorry, it's done right. Executor. What is the purpose of executor? Executor is nothing but in order to execute the test case. Use it to execute the test cases. If you want to execute the test cases, from where? From where your IDE is there, from Tosca commander, we will use executor. Means we will build our respect to automation inside the Tosca commander by taking the help of xscan. Once you have created, by taking the help of executor, you will execute your test case. Simple. Finally, test repository. Okay. So what is this test repository? The test repository is used to save all the workspace data. Okay. So all your workspace data will be scanned, guys. Okay. All your workspace data will be saved. Means whatever you are creating or generating the test case, you will convert the test case and you will save all your data using test repository. Okay, using that test repository, you will try to use that one. Okay, so means using Tosca commander, what you will do, using Tosca commander, you will write your or build your scripts. Okay, or not scripts, it's modules. Xscan would be used to scan it. Executor will be used to executor. Now, if somebody is asked in any interview, okay, don't be in a hurry. Just for example, if I'm an interviewer, you are another panel member, you came for the interview. If I asked what are the major components which are available in Tosca, okay, don't tell we have four major components. No, we have if I talk about the major components in Tosca, we have Tosca commander, Tosca xscan, Tosca executor, and test repository. Give a pause. Don't explain anything. Okay, if you have if you have anticipated the next question, then you can crack the interviews. Definitely, if I'm the interviewer, what I will do, I will ask, hey, automation testers, you told a bigger words, right? Can you please elaborate it more? Definitely we will ask. Then you elaborate it, guys. Now, rather answering one question, you will answer two questions. So your output would be input for their question. So you need to properly give that output, guys. Okay. So what are the major components which are available in Tosca? We have Tosca commander, Tosca xscan, executor, and test repository. If they are asking you to elaborate it more, then you can elaborate it.